Hello all, welcome to the English class. This is module number 2. In this module, we'll look at the chapter Mother's Day in detail. It is written by J.B. Priestley. Have a look at the setting of this one-act play. The action of this one-act play takes place in the living room of Mrs. Pearson's house, who is the central character. She is living in a London suburban area, and the living room is comfortably furnished. It is afternoon time, and we find Mrs. Pearson at the right side of the stage, and Mrs. Fitzgerald, who is the neighbor of Mrs. Pearson, is seated at the left. They are sitting opposite to each other, and there is a small table between them. So you can see the setting there, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is telling Mrs. Pearson's fortune, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is actually a fortune teller. Mrs. Pearson is in her 40s and she is a pleasant looking woman, but she is very worried looking now. So Mrs. Fitzgerald looks older, heavier, and a strong and sinister looking lady. The term sinister meaning evil or bad natured woman. So she is having such type of evil personality. So she is smoking a cigarette at present. Their voices are sharply contrasted. So Mrs. Pearson speaks gently while Miss Gerald is speaking with a deep voice and she is speaking in an Irish accent. So this is the setting of this play, and let us look at the first scene. So as we said, Mrs. Pearson and Mrs. Fitzgerald are next door neighbors. Apart from this, there is no similarity between them. Annie is a pleasant and nervous looking woman in her 40s. Fitzgerald is older and heavier with a stronger personality. Mrs. Pearson is very fond of her family and she speaks in a light, agitated tone with a touch of suburban London. This is quite contrast to the character of Mrs. Fitzgerald. She is actually a fortune teller. She has learned this art from East. She is reading Annie's fortune. She advises Annie to be strict and become the boss in her family. So she knows this art of fortune telling with cards and she is advising after hearing Annie's problems. And Mrs. Fitzgerald is very angry at the way Annie is treated like a servant by her family. Mrs. Pearson runs after her family all the time and she takes their orders all the time and obeys everything obediently. She stays at home every night while they are all enjoying outside. So Mrs. Fitzgerald is giving her an advice during this time. She says that everyone should assert their rights, and she gives her a few ideas in order to assert her rights as well, and so that everybody will be treating her in a proper manner. So let us see what the idea is in the next module. Thank you all.